Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to secretly mention someone on your WhatsApp status. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Sometimes you want a particular contact to view status update. WhatsApp has made it easier with the mention feature. You can tag people directly in your status updates, making sharing moments and keeping people in the loop easy. So here's how to mention how to tag someone on your WhatsApp status. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can just open your updates section. Now you can just create for the status. For example, like this. Now, before you share, there is an option mentioned on there. You can just tap on that and you can choose your friend that you want to mention. Now after that, you can just share it. But you have to make sure that your internet is on a good condition. You can also do this on your WhatsApp business, like this. Let's create status in your WhatsApp business. There is an option like mention icon in here. You can just tap on that. Choose your friends. Now you can just mention them. It will turn out like this. So anyone who that you tags on your WhatsApp status will get notified that you just mentioned them like this. So simple, right? So that is how to mention someone on WhatsApp status. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.